I get these messages all the time on Quora. I get them on LinkedIn and other places as well, but I'm getting them more and more on Quora, and it's aggravating. And in Quora on messaging, I hit the three dots. I can mute it. I don't want to do that. I can mark it as unread. I definitely don't want to do that. Or I can report them, but there's a much easier way to do that. And what you do is you go to the person's Quora profile, you click on the three dots here, and you can block this person. And when I block them, they can't send me messages, they can't follow me, can't comment, can't request, and they can't share my content. Boom, gone. Now, I can see the person's profile, but they are absolutely blocked. Right there, red letters, they are blocked from me. They can't touch me anymore. Now, when I go back to messaging, that message they were trying to have with me is gone, and that person can never engage with me through that Quora profile ever again. Do not hesitate to block people who are burdensome. I'm Teddy. I'm all about using Quora seriously. I hope this is helpful for you.